So we have to count ourselves lucky being involved with VW Amarok for the last couple of years with our events. Really handy and a great partner to have. You know, we've been driving around in a 580 Newton metre, one of the absolute beasts, but these V6s, all of them across the range, different spec, are fantastic. What I hadn't realised until recently that VW has done is doing what they're calling an XL and an XXL. So that adds 310 and 650 mil between the wheelbase here, respectively. There's a mob down in Adelaide that does that called adaptive manufacturing. So obviously, you know, the major benefit of that is load is spread much more evenly between the axles. You're not lifting weight off the front. What you're also doing is getting much more tray space here. You know, rather than just extending a tray, which means your tow bar is way underneath, you got about a 2.4 metre tray. So, you know, one of the eternally annoying things about motorcycles and dual cab utes is that you can just never quite fit the bike in the back. You have to put it on an angle, you have to have the, you know, the tailgate down, that can compromise your hinges and all the rest of it. So being able to actually shut everything up, have a tray this length is just awesome. Obviously a little bit higher to get the thing in, a bit more of a challenge to get up in the ramp, but you know, this thing has been an absolute godsend and makes life so much easier for a dirt bike guy.